What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're gonna be looking at the cheapest Nike NOCTA tee. I got the other one for like 30 something, and I actually got this one for 20. Now, if you guys like this content, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and help the channel out so much. Let's get into it. I got this piece off of Poshmark as well. I think I got the other one off Macari. I got this from somewhere online. And they threw in this other tee for like an extra 10 bucks. I just said, screw it. I'll get it. See if I can get this. Alright. One thing about this piece is it's a large, so I don't know if it's gonna fit. If you guys saw the other video, you know that XL looked kind of tiny. I don't know if it was from them drying it or what happened. But hopefully this one fits. I just tried to get it because it was like 20 bucks. I think it was a different color. Here it is. Honestly, it looks about the same size as that XL. So I think the other one just shrank a little bit. As you guys can see, this is the white tee and it has like a navy blue lettering. I'm gonna set this to the side. Show you guys what else I got. I wasn't really gonna get this, but it looked alright. It was cool for like running. Looks like a Nike dry fit tee, like one of those knitted patterns. It seemed pretty good for like 10 bucks. I don't have anything purple, so I figured why not. And this is actually an XL, so that's kind of cool. Just throw that in for like a workout. Not that big of a deal. I'm gonna put this to the side. Get something weird for you guys. So we got the Nike Dry Fit. I think it's a knitted, but I'm not sure. Maybe Nike Dry Fit Technic shirt, and then that was like 10 bucks, and I got this for 20. In my opinion, I think this was a steal. This tee is in super good condition, no stains. I'll show it to you guys again. I think they said they only wore it once and washed it once. Looks like how they washed it was better than other people, because the other one I swear is about the same size. Which, matter of fact, I'm gonna get it for you guys. All right, now that I returned with the other one, as you guys can see, they are super close in size. I'll show you guys the back. It looks like it's a little smaller, but really not by much. So I guess this thing maybe just runs a little small. I definitely, if I would have known, I would have got double XL. It's a little short. I mean, it still works. Still looks good, but I know like my tee's a little bit longer. It's kind of cool. I have like both the opposite colorways. So for me personally, I would recommend going up a size, and I'd also only wash this and let it air dry, but not put this in the dryer. I think that's definitely gonna shrink it. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Make sure you guys check out my other videos. I will link this one in the description so you guys can see it try on. I think this is gonna show you a little better fit versus this one. I would not go a size down if I was you guys. I really only bought this because it was like 20 bucks and I figured why not, I could just try it. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. I'm out.